I found a new AI tool specially trained on the most viral YouTube thumbnails that can generate amazing thumbnails in seconds. If you ask any top YouTuber what's the most important part of your video to get views, they will all answer, thumbnail, thumbnail, thumbnails. And if you ask them, why are you all wearing suits and holding an iPad in your hand, they will probably say some weird YouTuber with terrible Photoshop skills thought it would be funny. For some reason, a lot of stock images of businessmen have an iPad in their hand. But the point I'm trying to make is that you can make the best video to ever exist, but if you have a bad thumbnail, nobody would even click on your video to watch it. However, creating highly clickable thumbnails is difficult. You need to know how to use complex programs like Photoshop and understand the psychology behind why people click on a video. It's no surprise that great thumbnail artists cost $100 per hour. But in this video, I'm going to show you a new AI tool that can generate amazing thumbnails in seconds. The program I'm talking about is called Pixels, and just to show you that this actually works, this video with 3.6 million views uses a thumbnail that was generated with this tool. This video with 600,000 views also uses a thumbnail generated with this tool, and this video with 160,000 views as well. Oh, and by the way, this actually works. The AI thumbnail maker works similarly to Midjourney. You will have to get access to their Discord. I've put a link down below to send you to the right place. Once you're in their Discord, you can go to the free trial to test out the tool for free. If you are on a paid plan, you want to go to the Pixels bot on the right side of the screen. Right-click with your mouse and select Message. This will open up a private chat where you can generate your thumbnails. Here you can simply start by describing what kind of thumbnail you want. For instance, let's recreate a thumbnail concept that a lot of creators use. The day 1 to day 30 style thumbnails. These always work extremely well. Here's how you want to set up your prompts. Start by mentioning the title of the video. This will give the AI more context about your video, which helps match the thumbnail to your video. Next, describe specific details or elements. In this case, a lot of creators show growth between day 1, where someone has achieved a lot, and day 30, where they often have made a lot of money or achieved other success. So, on the left side, I want to have cobwebs and cardboard boxes, symbolizing a humble beginning. This AI can also incorporate text, but only if it isn't too long. You'll need to give it a couple of tries before it gets it right. In this case, I only want 2 basic signs, one showing day 1 and one showing day 30. On the right side, I want a pile of dollar bills and a green rising graph indicating financial success. The AI has also tried to incorporate the video title in the thumbnail, and as I said, if it's too much text, it's not going to be able to spell everything correctly. You can simply instruct the AI what you want to change without rewriting the whole prompt. I'll ask it to remove the title of the video and only include the text day 1 and day 30. As you can see, the AI has removed the title. However, I think the right side could be a bit brighter to better highlight the financial success. This will definitely grab more attention and give more views. It also removed the paper cut style split, so I'll instruct it to include this again. This is definitely more what I'm looking for. If you are close to what you want, you can press redo 3 times. This will give you 3 variations of the thumbnail, and it will almost always have one that is exactly what you are looking for. That's actually perfect. You need to understand that this is a very difficult thumbnail. There are so many details. The cobwebs, cardboard boxes, the YouTube logo, money, the bright green graph, text, and it executed it absolutely perfectly. You definitely need to be a very skilled editor to create this yourself. If you want to create a new thumbnail, you'll need to add /new to reset the chat with the AI. If you want to have more text in the thumbnail, write a similar prompt, but don't include text at the end, as you will need to add it manually. I recommend doing it this way, since the text is really important in a thumbnail. Let's say I want to create a thumbnail for a video about the worst racing accident in history. You would want to add something like "worst crash in history" on the thumbnail. This will immediately grab the attention of the viewer, and together with an image of a big crash, it should make people really excited about the video. I always use Canva to edit the rest of my thumbnails. Simply upload the image you just created in Pixels, scale it so it covers the entire screen, and here's a trick I always use and recommend you incorporate as well. Keep in mind that a good thumbnail is a simple thumbnail. You should often have a maximum of 3 elements in your thumbnail to grab the viewer's attention. In this case, we have a car fire and a few small details like tires and humans flying through the air. These small elements distract the viewers from the main message, which is the big crash. and will decrease the likelihood of someone clicking on your video. When you select the image and go to Edit Photo, you can use the Magic Erase tool. With this tool, you can simply draw over a part of the image, and Canva's AI will magically erase it from the image.
Wow!
In this case, I would recommend erasing every small detail except maybe 1 or 2 tires. As you can see, this looks much more visually pleasing and will definitely get more clicks. You do need a Canva Pro account if you want to use the AI functionalities. For the final step, you want to add text. If possible, place the text at the top of the thumbnail. If not, go for the side. When working with text, focus on creating contrast between the text and the background. This will make the text stand out more and grab more clicks. Since the background is a bit dark here, I'm going to make the text white. However, there are 2 things wrong with this thumbnail as is. First, the main subject isn't in the center of the screen. It's too close to the text. What you can do is drag the image downwards, then go to Edit Photo, select Magic Expand, and Canva's AI will generate the missing part of the image. Secondly, the visibility of the text is poor in some parts of the thumbnail. You can change the font and size to make it stand out more, but I always increase the contrast of the background with the text. When you go to Elements, you can search for a black gradient effect, place it behind the text, and it will stand out much more, grabbing even more attention. And you are done. This is an amazing thumbnail, and for those who are serious about this method, I've created a free course video where I dive deeper into how I create my thumbnail with this exact method. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. More content like this is coming your way. Thanks for watching, and until next time.